The schematics say the solar array should be green.
But the output here is clearly low. We need to check the main coupling. The results are in. How did you manage such seamless teamwork?
Honestly, Chika, clear communication solved all our problems.
Squawkistic news, everyone! We utilized incredible teamwork to make the coop the most comfortable place to be.
As you can see, the automatic doors are perfectly synchronized. It took careful planning and teamwork, but problem?
Look at this button! It's so shiny and red! I wonder what magnificent thing will happen if I just give it a little push. Porky, what have you done now? Porky! Don't you dare touch that button! Clearly says do not touch, which means it must be important. Oink!
Oh, the choices we face. He wrestles with temptation, caught between honor and the lure of the golden corn. What fate awaits him?
All right. Let the adventure begin.
Feathered emergency!
It was at this moment that Porky realized the true extent of his blunder. The adventure had begun, whether he was ready or not.
There's only one way to solve this. I'm pressing all of them! All of them!
Become a chaotic amusement park. This is theatrical commentary on the problem-solving adventure.
massive problem on our hands!
Well, that escalated quickly.
According to the schematics, none of this should be happening.
All right, Porky. This coop is a disaster. Looks like we've got ourselves another adventure. All right, Porky. Tell me exactly how this chaos started. We have a rescue mission and an adventure ahead, so let's get to work.
I'm truly sorry, Rex. I was just curious about the problem-solving adventure.
Oink.
All right, team. Let's roll.
Lulu, analyze the ruins. MooMoo, I need you to push that gate. Chika, scout ahead. Remember, team, collaboration is key here.
Operation Clean Coop. A perilous mission to restore peace and order.
Oink! I can help.
Well, that's certainly colorful. Need a paw with that, Porky? Well, at least it's certainly festive now, isn't it?
All right, team, all fixed. And I think it's safe to say, no more buttons for anyone for today.
Oink. Not even the snack one?
Not even the snack one?
I'm so sorry, Rex. I know I shouldn't have touched the stabilizer without asking. It was careless of me, and I understand if you're mad. If we take the time to learn first, Porky, we can solve any problem these adventures throw at us. We're a team.
Rex is absolutely right. By working together, Porky, we can solve this problem and develop our skills even further.
Porky, how would you like to be our trainee engineer?
It involves teamwork and responsible problem solving.
Oink! I am thrilled to announce Porky's promotion to trainee engineer. It truly demonstrates the spirit of learning and second chances, the positive resolution of our problem-solving teamwork adventure.
Remember, mistakes don't break us, they build wisdom. And a strong team working together can solve any problem adventure throws their way.
Team, our latest adventure proves it. When we work together, there's no problem we can't solve. What a day! From chasing those chickens to fixing the fence, curiosity really is the key to learning from actions, and the strength of teamwork helps overcome problem-solving challenges and achieve greatness.